Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for girls that make. Look how cute this box is. I love this. So this is a subscription box geared towards girls. Every month you get a different project that you can assemble and wear. They aim to close the gender gap in technology since it's a male-dominated field. But this is perfect for ages 10 and up. The first thing on top, it says earn rewards for completing projects. If you send a photo to that email address, you get credit for it, and then you can get certain rewards. It's a little magnet, so you can put that on your fridge if you wanted. Using Facebook Messenger codes. You can be an ambassador, tag them on Instagram, write reviews on Cratejoy. Then this is the actual project. So this month it's a Sparkly Bracelet. Tells you all the items that are in the box that you're going to need. And it looks like it explains it in pretty good detail. So that's neat. This is a really cool idea. Definitely very different for a subscription box. So they have written instructions. They also give pictures and diagrams. So it looks like it's pretty easy to follow. Very cool. So let's see. And there's a little pop quiz at the end. That's neat. So here are the items. So here is the bracelet. The little sewing needles are sticking to it. All different pieces here. There's some thread, sewing needle, some glue, wires, a little sticker, puff balls. Oh, I see, that's what they had the needles through. Some felt, and then a few things at the bottom. Fading LED lights. So here's what the inside of the bracelet looks like when everything's assembled and sewn on there. And there's a little switch right here, and when you turn that on, the lights will flash. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the bracelet, and then I'll show you what that part looks like. So here's the bracelet. This part is magnetic, so it's removable. There's the on switch. You can turn it on, and then it lights up. Very cool. And I also did notice, talking about the reward sheet, there's a sticker that corresponds with each project. So this one's a picture of the bracelet, so you can put that there and then just collect all the stickers. When you get done, you email it and you get a reward. So pretty fun. If you guys are interested in this company, I will put all their information below in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.